Today we're tackling a topic that catches many budgie owners completely off guard. When budgies suddenly start family planning. Welcome back to my channel, Welliness and Happiness Birdies channel, the place where we try to understand the chaos our budgies create before they drive us completely crazy. I am Beatrix. Breeding mood in budgies. Why it happens, when it happens, and how to prevent suddenly having 12 new roommates. I promise you, after this video, you'll be prepared. Better prepared than a budgie who's just decided the food bowl makes a perfect nest. What exactly does breeding mood mean? Breeding mood means your budgie suddenly thinks he's in a romantic telenovela. His hormones are saying, "It's time." You say, "No, please no." Typical signs. Females nibble on everything, branches, paper, your nerves. They seek out dark corners. They become territorial. Males feed like crazy. Both flirt as if they were on a dating show. In short, nature presses the start button. When do budgies become broody? Budgies can theoretically become broody year-round, but they are especially prone to it. In spring, in warm temperatures, during long daylight hours, when there is plenty of high-energy food available. If you accidentally provide a hiding place, e.g., a cardboard box, a dark corner, or a flower vase, budgies aren't fussy about it. If the conditions are right, they'll say, "Oh, this is like Australia in spring, let's go." What triggers breeding behavior? 1. Too much light. 12 to 14 hours of light equals budgie thinks breeding season. 2. Too much food, especially sprouted seeds, protein-rich foods, and high-fat seeds. 3. Cave-like places. Dark corners, cardboard boxes, cupboards, nesting boxes. 4. Too much romance. When two budgies are in love like Romeo and Juliet, only with more feathers. 5. Boredom. Yes, really. If budgies have nothing to do, they think, then we'll just have babies. How do you prevent breeding? Okay, now things are getting serious, but we'll keep it lighthearted. Here are the best anti-baby tips for budgies. 1. No nesting boxes. Nesting box equals invitation to start a family. No nesting box equals, sorry, we don't have room for babies. 2. No dark corners. Budgies love caves. So, get rid of cardboard boxes, close cupboards, and remove cozy hideaways. 3. Turn off the bird lamp. 10 hours of light is perfectly sufficient. Less light equals fewer hormones equals less drama. 4. Adjust the diet. Less of sprouted seeds, a lettuce and vegetables, and protein-rich foods. 5. Put breeding budgies in a dark room with a maximum of 4 hours of light. This lowers their hormones. 6. Provide enrichment. Boredom equals breeding mood. Enrichment equals no time for babies. I have to play. 7. Replace the eggs if it's already happened. If there are eggs, do not remove them. This will lead to more laying. Instead, use plastic eggs. Use boiled eggs and put them back. This keeps the hen relaxed and nothing hatches. Why is breeding budgies problematic at all? Because budgie breeding isn't a hobby like, I collect stamps. It's more like, I'm suddenly running a bird daycare, without training, without sleep, and without a plan. Problems. Incubation can be dangerous for the hen and the chicks. Hand rearing is extremely difficult. Animal shelters are full. The responsibility is enormous. And there are already enough birds behind bars. In short, please prevent breeding without sound knowledge. That was our crash course on breeding behavior. I hope you laughed, learned something, and now feel ready for when your budgies suddenly think they're in a romantic Netflix series. Let me know in the comments if your budgies have ever been broody and what they got up to. Subscribe so you don't miss any tips. Until next time, and stay budgie relaxed, not budgie stressed.